Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. So let's check what do we have. Something came in from China and we got some orders about the jobs. There's plenty of to do, to explain, so let us crack on. From the deliveries to Lenovo tab came, oh, something is stubborn, really stubborn. Ooh. Let's see. Ooh, guys, that's a charger. Okay, that's a charger. So I'll make a video about it. I won't be opening it now. I'll do a review. Okay. Now this is a PCB, which is this is a PCB from the extractor. I found a short, and the short is caused by the transformer. So I said to the customer, look, we can either try to locate different 12-volt transformer or put everything back together and just use the button to switch on the lights. And we can either use the original lights, which are non-LED, or use maybe some LEDs, you know, so that it will be saving money, and then, you know, we need to create new power supply for it anyway, because this one is dead. So customer agreed and we will be dealing with it, but for now let's put it aside. You see that bunch? There is a DJ equipment. Everything is for sale here. So there is a mixer. I've got two microphones, like stage microphones. It's supposed to everything work. I didn't test it yet because guy was moving abroad and I had to take everything. And we've got tons of other stuff, guys. Over there you see Guitar Pro, few bags of stuff. There is even projector. See some MIDI equipment. Yes, even including the cable. Get a projector. I've got my white one, so somewhere, which I don't have to use, but it is. Here's another one. So there's like tons of things. Yes, this is something. If somebody uses it, will be useful, as I don't use it. I only play some keyboard and guitar, so I don't use it, so it's useless for me. Maybe somebody will need it, because, you know, what's the point? Kai Professional MPK Mini. I will be putting everything to the e-commerce store. I will be testing before that, so that will take some time. I did things one Xbox, the video will be released, and what else? Well, there is a Tannoy speaker, yes, there is an Onkyo amplifier, there is another amplifier here from Audiolab, which I even didn't touch. I got a welder, which I didn't touch. I've got an iMac Pro, I think it is, 10 gig of RAM. It's over there, okay, at the RAM. It's non-integrated. There is some additional graphic card, and 2 hard drives are inside, but I don't know which macOS I can put. I need to check it, so we will have video about that as well. I've got a whole computer from this guy with 8 gig of RAM. It's like too much. Whole bag of laptops. I won't be even showing you, because we will have videos about them in the next weeks or months, because it's so many. I just had to take everything. Guys, I won't be buying stuff on Facebook Marketplace for sure, because I've got no place to put them in. Guy didn't pick up the TV still. You know, TV is fixed, but it's not picked up. I've got no place, and one of the customers will come, my friend actually, and the customer which we know almost 10 years, if not over 10 years, and he will drop me off some stuff to repair, which I don't know yet what it is, but I think he was talking something about one Xbox, one TV, and something else, you know, like I've got no space, so I'll struggle anyway. So that's it in this update. You see there's tons of work to be done. I'm waiting on the parts. It's quite a few parts ordered from China, from eBay. Now this I'm excited about, so I'll go and do the review. I don't know when there's a review will be. Maybe I will add on top of some other video. If there will be day of the repair, then I will add maybe this review video. And that's it in this episode. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. And if possible, please do like or subscribe, because that's really helping this channel. And likes to you if you did so. If possible, let's fix them all. Take care, guys. Bye bye.